Muhammad Mahdi, Create Lifestyle Freedom, and the Team Build Project. We're back, and I was asked to do a video to share a story about the benefits of Team Build, right? The benefits of Team Build. So let's just take a few minutes and talk about Team Build. In the Wake Up Now experience, we have a program that is designed to is designed to allow people to gain a handsome commission, a very handsome commission as a customer to Wake Up Now. Very simple. Nothing, no rocket science here. It's a very simple but elegant and timely idea that Wake Up Now is bringing to the marketplace in a huge way. So here's the deal. Wake Up Now offers a number of products and services that have true value in the marketplace. When you become a member of Wake Up Now at the platinum level, that membership is very similar to a Costco membership. It gives you access to a premium suite of products and services that the company offers that's called the Platinum Service Package. The Platinum Service Package. A number of things. I'll let you go to wakeupnow.com and see what is in the Platinum Service Package. But when a person becomes a member at the Platinum Service Package level, you are a customer of Wake Up Now. Wake Up Now offers a very handsome commission for any customer that brings their contacts, associates, and relations to Wake Up Now as new customers. Real simple. Very novel idea, but true profit sharing in every sense of the word, right? So we decided, I and those who are my circle of influence decided, hey, you know what? Here's a way for us to pour financial value into our circle of influence. So we have a company that is looking to increase their market share, and they're willing to reward handsomely existing customers for bringing other customers. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to become the customer base. We're going to guarantee Wake Up Now a loyal customer base because they're going to be our people, right? So when I share the Wake Up Now experience, the benefits that I'm experiencing with my contacts and associates, they come and take a look and they become happily involved in Wake Up Now. Wake Up Now, right? Wake Up Now pays a referral commission to me for that new person that they didn't have to spend advertising for. It's absolutely brilliant. And in turn, my new people, they will look into their circle of contacts and associates, share the Wake Up Now experience with them, bring them to Wake Up Now. They get happily involved at the Platinum Service Package level, and my friends are rewarded for those of their contacts that they bring. So in a team build simply is a way for us to accelerate the growth of our team by strategically bringing our contacts and associates to Wake Up Now in a way that maximizes the commissions that flow from the company to our contacts, associates, and relations. It's a way for you to channel a stream of income to people of your own choosing. Now, that's a powerful statement. I want you to think about that. The team build gives you an opportunity to channel a stream of income to people of your choosing, people that you want to lock arms with and build something legendary with and have an amazing life. If you want to know more about the Team Build Project, very easy. Go to teambuildproject.org, and you can find us on Facebook, facebook.com/wakeupnow.teambuild. Again, facebook.com/wakeupnow.teambuild. See our YouTube videos at youtube.com Team Build Project. My name is Muhammad Mahdi, and you know what we say. Residual income, that's the door to wealth. And relationships is the key that unlocks that door. My friends, we'll see you on the next video.